a rule-based strategy. We are following a rule. If these rules are not available, we don't trade. We must make sure that these rules are intact for us to be able to execute our trade. So these are the rules. These are the first rules. Rule number one, if you are to take a bull market trade, you go to the daily time frame, make sure that the bull market on the daily is currently above the middle line. So if you have not watched the first video, you need to go back and rewatch that first video. Make sure that if you are to take a bull market trade, make sure that on the daily time frame, go to the daily time frame and make sure that the market is above the middle line. Then go back to 2 minutes time frame and make sure that the market is trending up properly. Then if you are to take a bear market trade, go to the daily time frame and make sure that it is below the middle line. It is below the middle line. Then go to 2 minutes time frame and make sure that it is trending down properly. It is trending down properly. Once these rules are met, then we are good to go. Once these rules are confirmed, then we are good to go with our trading.
Let's start with the bull market. So this is the part 2 of the training. So we select our bull market. We select what? Higher and lower. Our time duration is 60 minutes. So we select 60 minutes, change here to minutes. Then you can enter your stake amount. This is the barrier here. You just leave it on the default barrier, nothing to change on the barrier. So just leave this barrier the way it is. Leave it like that. Enter your stake amount. Now we scroll down to the chart. Click on the chart. The first rule, we go to our daily time frame. So we click here and we click on this one to go to the daily time frame. Very good. You can see the first rule. The first rule is met. The market is above the middle line. It's above this middle line. Market is currently above this middle line. Currently above the middle line. So if you don't understand it, just go back to the first video and then you watch it and you understand it. Then what do we do next? We go to 2 minutes time frame. What's going on in 2 minutes time frame? The market is trending down instead of trending up. So we are not trading. We are not trading. We are not trading. Our conditions are not met. So we go to bear market to check. So we go to the 1 minute time frame. We go to the daily time frame to check. You can see it now. First confirmation is wrong. Bear is above the daily time frame instead of being below. So we are not trading. This is a rule-based strategy. You don't force trade. If the rules are not okay, you don't trade. But I just need to complete this particular video today. Now let's go back to the bear, to the bull. I just want to use it to do the explanation. So how do we take trade? For example, let's assume that we want to trade on a bull. Now, first condition, line. Market is above the middle line. Then what do we do next? We go to 2 minutes time frame and make sure that the market is trending up. So, but here the market is trending down, so we are not going to trade. But let's assume that the market was trending up as at when we check. Something like this. Something like this. Something like this. Perfect. Which means first condition is met, second condition is met. Then what do we do next? We now go to 1 hour time frame. We now go to 1 hour time frame and wait for the start of a new candle. Thank God, this new candle is just starting. Now we now wait for the start of a new candle. You can see that this market was actually trending. It was during this last 2 candles that it started reversing. We could have won almost all this trade. If as at the time it was trending, that was when I started making this video, we could have won the whole of all this trade. So you now come to 1 hour time frame and wait for the start of a new 1 hour candle, and you enter. If you are trading bull, you enter a higher trade. You click on purchase higher. Then you let the market, you can close it, you leave it to expire at 1 hour time duration. At the 1 hour time duration, let's assume that maybe you lose the trade. Then you can mitigat it. You can mitigat it in your next trade as long as the market is trending. So let's assume that the market just started going down. Just these 2 1 hour candle. So that is when we check our 2 minutes time frame, we saw a downtrend instead of an uptrend, because it started reversing down in this way within these 2 minutes and these 1 hour 2 candles. Let's assume that as at when I started recording this video was when the market was trending up. Just imagine that you enter this trade at this candle. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could have even won 7 trade on a row. 7 trade on a row. 7 trade on a row. So that is how you trade this strategy. You confirm that the market is above on the daily time frame. You check it on 2 minutes time frame, it is trending up. Then you come down to the 1 hour time frame. You wait for the start of a new candle and you enter a higher trade. And you leave it to expire. I don't really like selling my trade. You can decide to sell your trade, but just leave it to expire in 1 hour. This is a rule-based strategy. So if you peradventure you lose that particular trade, you can mitigat it. And if you lose it again, depends on your risk management, you can decide to mitigat the third one. And if you lose it again, you are done for that day. Of which it is very rare to have it. I have not experienced it. As long as you follow this rule, you will hardly experience that. So you are done for that day. By the time you do it for 1 month, you will see how much you make for yourself. Following this simple rule, don't break the rules, just stick to the rules. Trading is all about patience and growth, long-term thinking, not what you want to make now. No, stick to the rule. Just imagine this win rate. Yeah, just win rate. Even if it's just 2 or 3 trades, just imagine this win rate. So with this strategy, you can build your account patiently, quietly, without stress, just proper money management. So if you are to trade the same pattern on the bear market, it's the same thing. Instead of trading higher on the bear market, you now trade lower. You trade lower. You trade lower. You trade lower. So you trade lower on the bear market instead of higher, following the same rules. So instead of clicking on higher, you now come to the 1 hour time frame and you click on the lower on the bear market. So that is how you trade this strategy. Very simple. 2 simple rules. Daily time frame on bull market above the line. 2 minutes confirmation of a sharp trend. 1 hour, wait for the start of a new candle, you enter. Wait for that candle to finish and for the trade to close in your profit. Then you enter the next trade. 2 to 3 trade a day is okay. You are done for that day. So I believe it is simple and easy. The explanation is simple and easy. So if you have any question, you can ask me on the comment and I will respond. And also, I will also love you to explain it to me in the comment section for me to be sure that you really understand and you really understood the explanation. And subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of things I'll be giving out for free this year. A lot of things that will help you to make serious money. So subscribe to this channel and drop a comment. And then the next video I will be giving you the risk management plan on this strategy. I'll be giving you the risk management plan on this strategy and the money management plan, how to manage it to grow your account consistently without even blowing your account, or even this strategy can't even blow your account. So I'll give you a money management rule that you will use to trade this strategy successfully. This is a very good strategy. It will no stressful market analysis. It does not, as in no pressure. It's very easy and straightforward strategy. So with this strategy, you can make serious money for yourself this year through discipline. So subscribe to this video. Explain the strategy to me the way I have just explained it to you now in the comment section. Then I will make the next video. I may upload it on this channel, or I will forward it directly to those that drop a comment on this particular video. So I'll be waiting to see your comment and your reaction to this particular video. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like, and drop a comment. So I'll be making the next video on money management with this particular strategy, and risk management, and how you can properly use it to grow your account without fear of even blowing your account. So that will be the next video I'll be making, hopefully between now and on Monday. That video will be ready so that we can close this chapter and we move to the next training. I'm coming up with a lot of training, so that is why you need to subscribe to this channel so that you can benefit all that I'll be giving out for free this year. So thank you for watching. I appreciate your efforts trying to improve yourself and not choosing to give up. It means you are desiring success, and surely that success will come this year. Thank you once more, and God bless you.